3, 2, 1.
What on a bottle of wine is the punt? The answer is B, the dent on the base. Which fruit is usually red, round, and juicy? The answer is B, strawberry. Which continent contains the Amazon rainforest? The answer is D, South America. Which piece of furniture features slats and is used as a partition or door? The answer is A, bookcase. What is a kitchen gadget used for peeling fruits called? The answer is B, peeler. When looking for good soil for plants, typically what is optimal? The answer is A, malleable and nutritious. What other common name is used for the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, the smallest bat species in the world? The answer is A, bumblebee bat. Which of these actors played a role in the 1989 movie Pink Cadillac? The answer is D, Jim Carrey. Humans need lipids for many vital functions, such as storing energy and forming what? The answer is D, cell membranes. In which year was the Great Wall of China built? The answer is A, 500 BCE. Which of these actors starred in the 1972 movie Last Tango in Paris? The answer is D, Marlon Brando. On the man from UNCLE when at the headquarters all agents had to wear badges, what number was Ilya Kuryakin's badge? The answer is A, 2. Which vegetable is often green, leafy, and used in salads? The answer is A, lettuce. The right side of the heart collects what type of blood from the body? The answer is C, oxygen poor. Which of the following movies does this quote come from? The answer is A, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. The principle of uniformitarianism states that most of the landscape of Earth was formed slowly and over a long period of time. Which occurrence of Earth is least supported by this principle? The answer is B, volcanic eruption. In astrophysics, which theorem defines what parameters black holes are characterized by? The answer is D, black holes have no hair. What is the point on the ground that is located directly above where underground rocks fracture, or the focus point? The answer is D, epicenter. What instrument is used in the samba rhythm surdo? The answer is A, drum. Which plucked string instrument is associated with Middle Eastern music? The answer is A. Oud. What was John Ritter's major in college? The answer is A. Psychology. What are objects that are launched into the air called? The answer is B. Projectiles. In the opening episode of Season 1 of Battlestar Galactica, after how many minutes would the Cylons find Galactica? The answer is B. Every 33 minutes. On the cover of the Sims 2 University expansion pack there is a picture of two Sims, one male and one female. What is the male Sim wearing? The answer is A. Toga. Who was the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes? The answer is B. Marie Curie. What is the only country with 2 capitals? The answer is A. Bosnia and Herzegovina. What kind of fats have been implicated in the presence of heart disease? The answer is B. Trans fats. What are the names of the 4 children in the story The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe? The answer is A. Peter, Susan, Edmund, Lucy. In what year was Julius Caesar killed? The answer is B. 44 BCD. The nervous system is composed of cells, tissues, and organs. Which is a cell of the nervous system? The answer is D. Neuron. Bacteria are often used to make cheese from what? The answer is C. Milk. What did Walter Deamer invent? The answer is C. The rubber band. Sunlight contains many different wavelengths, which you see when they separate into what? The answer is A. Rainbow. What anatomical system is made up of neurons and glia? The answer is D. Nervous system. Which author wrote Sense and Sensibility? The answer is A. Jane Austen. Which tool is used for shaping and finishing metalwork? The answer is A. Lathe. What is a group of similar organs that work together to perform a specific function called? The answer is C. Tissue. The tallest waterfall in the world is located on which mountain? The answer is D. Angel Falls. What is the national dish of India? The answer is C. Chicken tikka masala. I painted the starry night, but never saw it day. Who am I? The answer is B. Painter. Which sequence represents the correct levels of organization for multicellular organisms? The answer is A. Cell tissue organ system. What are the largest known proteins called? The answer is A. Titans. Within the microsporangium, the microspore mother cell divides by meiosis to give rise to 4 microspores, each of which will ultimately form this. The answer is A. Pollen grain. What does the name of the popular Mexican soup puzzle mean? The answer is D. Foamy. Which sitcom features a cast of 6 friends living in New York City? The answer is A. Friends. What carries warm or cold water throughout the world's oceans? The answer is C. Ocean currents. Which clothing item is designed to be wrapped around the waist and legs? The answer is A. Kilt. What is at the top of the mesosphere? The answer is A. Mesopause. What is the permanent prevention of gamete production or release called? The answer is A. Sterilization. Which is not a human digestive organ?